Let me tell you a small story about a small promise that changed a big life. Sam lived in a tiny flat above a bakery. Every morning, the smell of warm bread came through the window. It was nice. But Sam did not feel nice. He felt stuck. He wanted to learn new skills, find better work, and feel proud. But every plan felt heavy. Every goal felt too far away. One Monday, Sam looked in the mirror. His hair was messy. His eyes were tired. On the mirror, someone had left a sticky note. It said, "Do 5 minutes, that's all." Sam laughed. He had written the note himself last night, when he felt brave. Now he did not feel brave at all. Still, he set a timer for 5 minutes. Pause. He opened a free typing website. He practiced the home row. 5 minutes, beep, done. He wanted to stop, but the tiny success felt warm, like the bread smell downstairs. On Tuesday, he set the timer again. 5 minutes of reading a simple article about customer service. He wrote 3 new words on a card. Greet, listen, solve. On Wednesday, 5 minutes of voice practice. He read a page aloud, slowly and clearly. He smiled at his own voice. It sounded friendly. It sounded like someone he might trust. On Thursday, Sam wanted to skip. Rain hit the window. The bus was late. He felt grumpy. But 5 minutes is not long. He opened a free spreadsheet tool and learned how to add a total. Click, drag, sum, beep, done. He felt a little stronger. On Friday, something changed. The bakery owner, Mrs. Patel, waved him in. "You come here every morning," she said. "You always say please and thank you. We need a part-time helper on Saturdays. Interested?" Sam's heart jumped. "I don't have much experience," he said. Mrs. Patel smiled. "Experience grows. Kindness helps it grow faster." Saturday came. Sam worked behind the counter. He greeted customers. He listened. He solved small problems. A wrong change, a torn paper bag, a child's dropped bun. He made mistakes, but he stayed calm. At closing time, Mrs. Patel said, "Good work. Come back next week." That evening, Sam looked at the sticky note again. He added a second one. Small work, big change. He kept going, 5 minutes a day, sometimes 10, sometimes 15, not hours. Just a little, again and again. Weeks passed. Sam learned more. He made a simple CV. He asked a friend to check it. He practiced answers in the mirror. "Tell me about yourself. What are your strengths?" He answered softly and clearly. He used his 3 words, greet, listen, solve. One day, he saw an online post. Customer support assistant, full-time, training provided. The company was close to his bus stop. He pressed apply. He felt scared. He pressed it anyway. Interview day came. Sam wore a clean shirt. He arrived early. In the lift, he remembered the sticky note and took a slow breath. 5 minutes. He could do anything for 5 minutes. He could greet. He could listen. He could solve. The room was bright. 2 people sat across from him. "Tell us about a time you helped someone," the woman said. Sam told a small story from the bakery. A customer with a nut allergy, a busy queue, a wrong label, a fast, kind fix. He spoke simply. He did not try to be impressive. He tried to be useful. "What did you learn?" the man asked. "That small actions matter," Sam said. "If I do 5 minutes every day, I become a different person after many days." They nodded. They asked about tools. Sam showed his spreadsheet total. They asked about speaking to upset people. Sam showed his calm voice. The interview ended. Sam walked out. He did not know the result, but he knew this. He had kept the promise. He had become a person who starts. 2 days later, the phone rang. "Hi, Sam. We'd like to offer you the job. Your answers were..."